Hello and welcome back to AutoCAD in 20 Hours Chapter 1. This video covers sections 1.22 and 1.23. Visit www.autocadin20hours.com for your free trial and for more information. Under YouTube settings, click on this little gear here. Click on the quality box and select an HD setting if possible. That may not be possible. It depends on the speed of your internet. Okay, this is where we left off last time, and this video is going to finish up Chapter 1. First, we have just a few odds and ends that we want to collect. We want to close up the end of this wall here. We didn't do that before because of the stairs. And now we are going to open up the front of the garage. I have to read the book while I'm doing this, so sometimes I'm a little hesitant. And this is a 9-foot opening, so we're going to use the offset type 4'6" enter. Use the trim tool. Enter right away, and you can see you can trim multiple lines at a time, and then we're going to select this and we're going to delete it or erase it, and we're going to type M text, enter, open up a text box. Set the font size to 6. Now, since we've already set it, we could just select it. If you turn off your computer in between lessons, though, the 6 will disappear. So you have to overtype the 9 again. Select the bold, centered, and this door is 9-0 space X space 7-0 space overhead. That's an overhead door. And I'm just going to use the move tool to center it a little bit better there. We also are going to put some text into these the washer, dryer, and water heater. So let's just try this. Let's just copy the kitchen up into here. Double click on it. Click to the side, scroll across, and type W. And let's slide the bar a little closer for this. So that's important to know. You got this little bar to make these lines longer or shorter. And then OK. And let's copy that. We're just going to set it by I for now. This one is snapping to the center point on us, so you might have to turn your object snap off in order to get that where you want it. So we're going to now double click on this one. Scroll across it, type a D for dryer, and then this one, double click, scroll across it, and HW for hot water for that one there. Let's get rid of this W, erase it. Okay, now we're going to make an up arrow for the stairs. Let's make sure that the ortho is turned on. Click the line, and out here in generally open space, start a line, pull it down, type 36, enter. Now we're going to add another line using coordinates. So hold down the shift and hit the @ symbol, which is above the 2 on the keyboard. 18, hold down the shift and hit the less than symbol, which is above the comma. 60, and enter, and you'll see it makes a line that is 18 inches long and 60 inches. And now because we're still in the line command, we can just keep clicking lines. So let's just come over and click on the perpendicular and enter. Click on the mirror button. Select these two lines. Enter. Read the command line. It says specify the first point of the mirror line. Let's pick the top of this line. And then it asks for the second point. Let's click on the bottom. And it disappears. That can be a hard one to figure out if you don't know about it. But enter and it comes back again. Now we are going to move that over to the stairs. So click on the move button, select it, use this as the base point, the tip of the arrow, turn the ortho off, and come and click it onto the fifth step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the midpoint icon. We're going to add some text to that. So type MT enter. Open up a text box, clicking twice on the screen. Select the centered and the bold. Type up. This is going to be 9 inches. OK. Select the rectangle tool. Make a rectangle around that. Then we're going to select the move button. Select the rectangle. The base point will be the midpoint at the top of it, and click it to the tip of the arrow. Click on the trim button, enter, and trim this out. Then we're going to move the up over there. And then we're going to click on the rectangle and we're going to erase or delete it. You could leave it there, but that just shows you how you can open up a space for text. Okay. Now we're going to add some dimensions and then we are going to be done. The first thing we're going to do is come up to the Layers toolbar, click on the Layer Properties Manager, and we're going to click on the New button. And then we're going to type dimensions. And then we're going to leave it white and we're going to close it. Now we're going to set up now we're going to alter the style. So let's type style, enter, and click on the standard because we want the font for everything to be the same. Let's find our city blue again. There it is, city blue. And leave everything else the same. Set it current. Do we want to save the changes? Yes, we do. And then let's set that current and close it. Now down here at the bottom of this is the dimension toolbar. Find the dimension style button and click on that. And we're going to select the standard. Click New and type quarter. Then continue. Let's go to the Fit tab first. Click on this number, double click it, and type 48. We want to make sure the annotative is turned off. Everything else looks good. Let's go to the primary units and set the unit format to architectural. AutoCAD should have set that, but it did not. And let's look at the text, and let's double click here on this 3/16 and type 1/8 for an eighth. Now these we want centered, so if they're not, click in the windows and set them to centered. And we are going to align with the dimension line. And everything else should be fine. Click OK. and then set current. Actually select the quarter just to make sure and set it current, and then you'll see it appears down here in the description. Okay, come over here and click on the linear button on the dimension toolbar. Click on the upper left corner, the upper right corner, and then move the mouse away from you and pull that on up and click it into place. A linear again on the corner, pull it out to the side and click on it. Now sometimes you get weird measurements because it'll actually click on to, you can't really see it, there's a little node in here. So you got to make sure you select the corner of the building and not the dimension node. Click on the linear, click on this corner, pull it down and click. Now come over and find the continue button, click on that, and you can see what it does. It continues the linear without us having to redo the linear every time, and then enter. Okay, so the continue lines these up perfectly automatically for you. So hit the linear first, find the corner of the chimney, pull it on out, and then the continue from there. Click here, click on this upper left corner again. See, and I'll try and show you. See there, you can hit that endpoint quite easily on the dimension line. So watch that, watch for that, and then enter. And we are going to add one more dimension. Hit the linear, hit this corner here, and hit this corner here, and come on out, and then enter. Okay, that completes chapter 1, and you can see you have a complete set of floor plans. And now you could draw pretty much any set of floor plans with the skills that you have. I'm going to do some more videos for some of the other parts of the book, but not the complete rest of the book. You'll find most of chapter 2, and then you will also find other videos for parts of the book that are difficult. But congratulations on your floor plan. Visit us at www.autocadin20hours.com for your free trial and more information.